rainy season. Come on, let me see how to do water harvesting in our home. Come on, let me see.
I have taken this cardboard and we are going to wrap this cardboard with this chart. Now we are going to make the house from this box. I have taken this shape of the box. You can take other shape of the waste boxes. Now we are going to wrap this box with this colored paper.
Before going for video, come on, let me see what is gravel filter. To make gravel filter, we have to fill the container with stones, and it's above we have to fill the container with sand. It is mainly used to filter the rainwater. Rainwater from the terrace is allowed to pass through the gravel filter, and from the gravel filter, the filtered water is collected in the sump. And from the sump, the filtered water is used for all other domestic purposes like